Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Samantha. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my future videos. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth eyelash tutorial or fake eyelash tutorial. I do my lashes every single day, and I have to tell you, practice makes perfect. I've encountered several people who are always like, oh my gosh, your eyelashes, they look so good. Who did them for you? And I'm always like, I did them myself. But again, practice makes perfect. When I first started putting on fake lashes, I promise you, I wasn't good at it. So I'm going to be showing you the products I used. I'll probably talk about which eyelashes I've used and what eyelashes I'm using now. So if you would like to see how I do my fake lashes every day, then just keep watching. So I'm going to show you the products I will be using. I have 5 total, including the lashes. So of course I have scissors to cut the lashes to the size you need. And then I have Lexi. And then I have tweezers. Then I have the dual lash glue. This is in the dark tone. I personally like the dark tone only because I feel like it blends in better with the lash band. And I don't know, I've been using the dark tone ever since I've started wearing lashes. I just feel honestly like the clear, I don't know if it's just me, it kind of looks like eye boogers or something like that because it dries out white. It's not, I mean, it's kind of clear, but to me it looks white. And then I just have my eyelash curler. And then I have the eyelashes. I've recently started using this Kiss Lash Couture. They are in the style Opulence. I just feel like it suits me better for my eye. Kiss, I've been actually recently using them and I think they're actually pretty good. They are $10. I think they're comparable to the House of Lashes in pricing because I used to get the style. What's that popular? Bleh. What's that popular style in House of Lashes? It's like people are always talking about it and I've used it before too. I can't think of the name. It's a very popular one. Anyways, but the House of Lashes and the Kiss lashes in this Lash Couture style, they're comparable in price because these are $9.99. But I like it better because for me, I hate going online shopping. So again, I use the Kiss Opulence style. But these are the ones I've been using for about like a month already, and I really like them. And they last a pretty long time. So depending on how often you use them and how often you clean them, it depends on how long your lashes will last. So those are all the products you will be needing for the tutorial. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see just my eyes and see. I feel like it's so much better. Again, I also have a handheld mirror so I'll be able to see much up closer. I feel like when you're in your face trying to put your lashes on, I feel like it makes it 10 times easier. I literally stick my face in the mirror to put on lashes. I feel like that's just so much better to apply them, and it just makes it much easier. So let's get on to the video. Okay, before I start this video, I just want to say I am not perfect at doing lashes. This is just me showing you how I put on. This is just me showing you how I put on my lashes. So I did zoom y'all in. Of course, y'all can see all of my imperfections, but it's okay. I'm gonna start off by pulling out the lashes. Just love this style. It's like perfect wispy type full look, and I always like to have like that full lash look. I'm gonna start off by taking out the lashes and cutting them to my size. I usually just grab my tweezers and pull them from the ends. If you put them from the middle, because you're going to be cutting from the end and not the middle. So I'm going to pull, and usually I just have to trim them just a bit. I'm just going to put it on top of my eye and see how much I need to cut. I'm just gonna snip. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm snipping a little piece off. So now I'm gonna measure it just to make sure. Okay, it looks like this is gonna work. So again, I did have lashes on before this, so you might see like I still have mascara on my eyes and stuff like that. But I did have eyelashes on before. For the sake of this video, I just took them off and I'm going to be reapplying them on. So that looks about right. So now I'm just going to grab my other lash and cut it to the size I need. I usually don't measure the second time around just because by now I already know how much to cut from the first lash. So when I started using lashes, I started with the Ardell ones, the Demi Wispies, which I feel like a lot of people know which ones those are just because people start off with those, and those are really nice. The only thing I didn't like was that my eyes are really small, so I tend to need a more fuller and more I guess just in general a more fuller lash so you can actually see them. So I'm just gonna measure the other one just to make sure it's even. Okay, yeah, it'll work. So I have both of my lashes cut to the size that I need. Next I am going to, I already did this obviously because I had eyelashes before, or my fake lashes on before this, but I'm going to use my eyelash curler just to curl them. I know some people put mascara before they put on their fake lashes, but I don't know, I don't do that. I just wait till the end after I have them on, and then I'll go in with the mascara and put on I'll go back in with the mascara and put it after my lashes on. Okay, so now I'm going to, after I curled my lashes, I'm going to grab my lash. I'm putting a thin strip of glue, just a thin line of glue, and then I'm going to wait for it to get tacky. So I usually, move my hair out of the way. So I usually start with the middle. Make sure the middle is on, and then I'll do the end, and then I'll go in and do the front. And then I'll just like squeeze my real lashes with the fake ones. I usually do middle and then front, but you have to make sure to wait for your glue to get tacky, otherwise it'll be moving and slipping around until your glue does get tacky. So can you see the big, like the difference that it makes? I'm gonna grab my other one, very thin line of glue. I don't know if I can see that, and let that get tacky. I'm gonna do my other eye. I think it's ready. I'm gonna do the middle, the end, and the inner corner. There's that other one. I'm just going to let them dry for a bit. Now I'm just going to curl them so that way they can blend in just a bit. It'll make them look more natural, but I'll probably go off camera and do the mascara to blend them in. Okay, so this is how I put on my eyelashes, my fake eyelashes. I will also go back in after, or like off camera, to put mascara on and try and blend them in so they look more natural. Again, this is the way I do it. I am not perfect at doing lashes or applying lashes. This is just my way of putting them on. I know there's tons of eyelash tutorials, but I just wanted to share my tutorial with you all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also if you have any other ideas of videos that you would like to see from me, let me know in the comments. I would love to see your ideas or hear what you would like to see from me. Just stay tuned for my future videos, and don't forget to subscribe again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.